Hey, I know a fun song about spiders. Would you like to sing with me? Yes! Okay, let's go! The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed that spider out. Out came the sun and tried to pour the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed that spider out. Out came the sun and tried to pour the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Yay! Good job with your spiders! Wow! What's the weather today? What is the weather? What is the weather? I see the sun shining down. The skies are blue, it's time to get out. Oh wait, what's that? I see some clouds, maybe some rain or just light showers. I see the wind blowing the trees, blowing in a storm for us to see. It's getting cold, everything's slow. Why everywhere it must be snow. Do you know what's the weather? Look out your window and you will see. What's the weather today? Is it windy? Is it raining? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it foggy? Is it icy? Is it snowing? Maybe you can see a rainbow. Wow! What weather is this? Yes, it's sunny. It's sunny. It's a sunny day. The sun is shining and the sky is blue. I want to play. Do you want to play? Yeah. I want to play outside. I want to play outside. It's a beautiful sunny day. Let's go play outside. Yay! Come on, let's go. Yay! Wait, kids, you cannot swim alone. It's too dangerous. Make sure you have an adult.
Okay. Ta-da! Let's play!
Wait, Michaela! Pool water is not for drinking. No, no, no.
Oops. Okay.
Splash challenge! Who can make the biggest splash? Balls, sink or float. It floats. We have 2 more balls. It floats. The ball floats. Ice cream floats. Building bricks, sink or float. It floats. Building bricks float.
Wow, you
Shapes burst, sink or float. Floats. Ball pit balls. Ready, sink or float. Ready, steady, go! It floats. Ball pit balls float. Lobster floats. Cars float. Glasses sink or float. Glasses sink. Yay! Glasses sink. Monkey flies. Rockets. Rockets float. Water guns sink or float. They float. Yellow pie floats. Cars sink or float. Wow! The cars sink. Animals. Animals float. Bah, bah. Oink, oink. Meh.
I love you.
Aww.
Sink or float. Swords. Ready, steady, go! Swords float. Let's get our looking eyes on and let's check out the window. Whoa! Do you know what weather that looks like? That's right, it looks like a storm. And when a storm happens, it can get really dark and windy. Can you pretend to be the wind with me? Put your arms up and whistle. We're blowing in the wind. Whoa! Good job! Good job pretending to be the wind. And sometimes it can get thunder and lightning. Let's listen to see what thunder sounds like. Whoa! Can you pretend to be thunder? Boom! Boom! Wow! Boom! Crash! Wow, you sounded just like the thunder. Do you have a xylophone at home? Go get it and we'll play together. Let's pretend it's raining and this could be the sound of the raindrops. Can you do it? Ready? Your turn. Wow! It's raining. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head, couldn't get up in the morning. This time you sing along with me, ready? Back to the rain. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed, bumped his head, couldn't get up in the morning. What's that? Here comes the thunder and lightning. Whoop! There's thunder, there's lightning, it can be quite frightening. Boom, crash, thunder and lightning. Wow! Let's do it all again. Let's start with the rain. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed, bumped his head, couldn't get up in the morning. There's thunder, there's lightning, it can be quite frightening. Boom, crash, thunder and lightning. Yay! Good job! Let's go back to the rain, but let's do it really quietly. Can you get a little bit faster? A little bit faster, and faster, and really fast. Wow! Good job.
Let's open it.
Thank you. And we got some sprinkles. Look, your friends at home. Let's open it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Brown sprinkles. Ready, steady, slide time! Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. More sprinkles.
Wow, a party sprinkles. Party sprinkles. What is this? Allah. Sprinkles! Party! Shake.
You ready? Go. What's this? yawning and I made a silly sound. I went, oh. I'm yawning because I'm tired. It's night time, and night time is when it's time to sleep. So silly. I'm tired. I'm going to go to sleep now. Night night.